Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you a way if you can export models that you make in Minecraft and then import them into Paint 3D into a mixed reality world and project whatever you've created into the real world. So what I've done, don't laugh at my little model, it's very simple but it'll do the job for this demo. And what I'm going to do is punch in a bunch of commands. So we're going to start this command by pressing / and then I'm going to say give @p, which gives the closest player. We want to give them a structure block. So we want to type in structure. You need to underscore the gap between that and the word block. And then I'm going to press enter. And then what it does, you now see that I'm holding on to a box. I'm then going to position this box just to the left of the building. And then when I right click on it, you'll see that I've got this mode and a 3D export come in. I can name the structure. I'm going to do that by calling it shed. I'm then just going to punch in some coordinates for X's, Y's, and Z's. Now, you can play around with that and see what they all mean. However, there's a little tiny coordinates box just to the right, which maybe indicates what they all mean. So I'm going to punch in here -16, and then going to look at making that a value of 0, so it gets to the floor. So then I can look at my model, I can see its full export and rotate around and see that I've captured everything, and I'm happy with that. So now what I'm going to do is press the export button and it's going to generate my model. And I will just put this on my desktop as shed. And it's there. Okay, so I'm going to minimize Minecraft and then I'm going to launch Paint 3D. And when you're in Paint 3D, you'll find the option of going to menu and insert, and I'll find that shed that I've created and drop that into this world. And you can see that while it's here, I can spin it in any sort of direction. Okay, from here, we're then going to go outside. Okay, so now I've gone outside, and what you're going to notice is at the very top of Paint 3D, we've got a mixed reality mode. So I'm going to press the mixed reality button. That's going to fire up my camera, and I'll maximize that to be full screen. Okay, perfect. And you can see I've got my building there. I can, obviously while it's here, I can still rotate it, but I can drop it into a place on screen and even maneuver it by dragging my finger, pinching and zooming to resize it and manipulate that building. You can see there's a video button on the right hand side and even a picture tool that lets me grab an image of that being in the real world. Anyway, so look, lots of implications around options of people building bridges or birdhouses and placing them in trees, you name it. It actually opens up a lot of options for a lot of engagement and a lot of fun. Okay, hope that helps.